Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to get the Voyager in no man's sky. Start by improving your scanner and inventory to find more anomalies and distress calls. Track mission chains that reference ancient ruins or stranded pilots, then accept and complete those missions. Prioritize ship salvage, trade rewards, and faction missions that yield unique ships. Keep a close eye on system alerts and space battle loot to increase your chances of encountering the Voyager. To find the right signals, start visiting new star systems and use your analysis visor often. Focus on anomaly and distress beacon readings since they can trigger missions or point to shipwrecks. Upgrade your scanner modules through the tech merchant or crafting to detect rarer signals. Check space stations for mission boards and NPCs that hint at Voyager sightings. Be persistent, as repeated scanning and station visits raise your odds of a lead. When you accept a mission, read objectives carefully and plan your route before launching. Bring fuel, repair parts, and a boosted jump drive for longer runs between systems. If a mission requires combat or boarding, upgrade weapons and shield modules first to avoid losing progress. After completing mission steps, return to the mission giver or space station to claim rewards that can include ship fragments or blueprints tied to the Voyager acquisition.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.